Okay, everyone, so this is my second vlog, and one night I'm just really not sleepy at all. I have nothing better to do. It's still December 10th, 2011, and it only has been 10 minutes since I made my last vlog. It's 3:48 a.m. and yeah, my best friend is officially in the room. Say hi, best friend.
My best friend.
That's so, anyway.
Ew, that sounds like a man. That's gross.
You are a man. I'm just joking. Anyway, back to what I was saying. She just threw a chicken nugget at me.
It wasn't chicken nugget, it was a fruit snack, ho.
Oh, she threw a fruit snack at me. Anyway, this is college life, by the way. All you YouTubers, I'm gonna sing for you. I'm just gonna, yeah. What should I sing?
I don't know. I don't care.
Okay, she's no help at all. I'm gonna sing Alicia Keys. No, I'm not. I'm lying. I'm lying. I'm gonna sing. What the hell am I gonna sing? Alright, here it goes. Let's see if you can guess the song before I tell you what the name of it is. Alright. You're who I desire. You light my fire with every kiss. You take me higher, feeling like you're loving, I just cannot resist. There's something that's making me hold on. There's no one I'd rather share my good loving with. But I promised I'd wait till I'm ready for this. One day we'll make love, passion unheard of. I'll be your woman if I have my way. We will see heaven loving together. We won't stop ever. If I have my way, I love your touch. It makes me crumble. I'm in love so much. Look what you've done. Please don't whisper anything else in my ear. My body, my heart, and my soul is high. Let me find the strength to get on up out of here. 'Cause one day the way we feel will be alright. One day we'll make love, passion unheard of. I'll be your woman if I have my. We will see heaven. Hey, loving together. If I have my way, I love you, no doubt about it. I won't change my mind. Love so true. If I have my way, I will make love to you. One day we'll make love. Okay, I don't feel like nothing no more. Alright, that song. You saw how she's throwing fruit snacks at me. The worst best friend I've ever had. And don't waste fruit snacks. I gave you those.
You stole them from someone else.
I didn't steal them. I got them to buy it for me. Can you not? Don't. And you're cleaning up the fruit snacks.
Okay.
It's rude. She's throwing fruit snacks at my head. It's not cute. And then you hit my computer. Look, it's already broken enough.
Why are you so loud though?
Because it pissed me off. Look, you got fruit snacks. I just cleaned this motherfucker. Damn it. I can't have no fucking company, badass bitch. This bitch. This is how she treats her house.
No, it's not to your house.
You live here too.
No, I don't.
You might as well. Alright, sorry. Ratchet hoes in the background and shit. Stop it! Bye.